How do I find my account ID for Facebook? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find and see your Facebook profile user ID quickly and easily. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile settings page, what you have to do is simply scroll down and there you'll see your profile link. So here, simply copy your profile link, and once you're done copying your profile link, what you can do is simply go back and close the Facebook app and simply open the web browser on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the web browser, simply tap on the search bar and simply paste the link that you have copied before. And once you do that, you'll be prompted directly to your Facebook account. So here, once the page loads, what you can do is just go back to the Google again, and there you simply have to type find Facebook user ID and search for it. And now here, what you have to do is simply scroll down and there you'll see the option that says lookupid.com. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you simply have to paste the link that you have copied earlier. And here, once you're done copying or pasting the link, you simply have to tap on lookup. And once you do that, the website will display the user ID of Facebook. And that's it. That's how you can find out user ID on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.